In this video, I will show you how to change alarm volume on iPhone. So whether you want to turn the volume down to avoid waking other people in your house up, or if you want to make your alarm volume louder, then follow along with me as I guide you through how to change the alarm volume. So here we are, as you can see currently on the alarm screen. To go ahead and change the alarm volume on iPhone, the first thing you're going to want to do is come out of the alarm screen if you've currently got the alarms opened. Now what you need to do is actually open up the settings on your iPhone, and from here you want to scroll down until you see the option for sounds and haptics and then give that a press. So you'll notice here there's actually a slider bar under the ringtone and alert section. Now this is what you want to adjust for your alarm volume. So as you can see, it's going to give us a preview when we change the slider bar, just like so. And you can adjust this to your desired volume. So by doing this, it's actually going to change the volume of your alarm. And that is how to change alarm volume on iPhone. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.